So hi. So this is for the number of people that are asking, how to use Odoo in Windows. So let me show you. Uh, so this is the screen. So first, like they have to go to nightly.odoo.com. So here, like you will see all the versions that are available. So for the older versions, it's here. So what you have to do is like you can choose the version that you want to install, and you have this Windows folder here. So now I'm currently like choosing 15 community, and you have the Windows folder here. So you just download the latest exe, and just a note, like I'm using Mac and running a VM on using Parallels, so it should be the same with like even if the default Windows, it should work the same. So this shouldn't be an issue. So it should be appearing here. Yeah. So just double click on the exe file and it should install. It will ask for a couple of things. So let me show you. Yeah, accept that. So it's mostly next, 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 and make sure like you. So okay, so if you have the Postgres installed separately, like you can uncheck this, and I can put the inputs. So if it is not installed, like you just select that both options, and this is will be your Postgres users credentials. So I'm just giving admin. So now it should be installing. So after a long time, like it has completed these setup. So I just click start Odoo, and it should be coming up. Yeah. So yeah, it seems to be working. So the other questions that I get asked is like, where is the path for these things? So where is Odoo installed, etc. So if you go to my PC, um, should be inside this program. Mm, Yeah, I think it is in program files. Yeah, here you can see like Odoo 15. Go inside that, and it should have its Postgres folder. This is the place where like the Postgres is actually installed. And over here, like you will see the Python folder. So this is where all the Python packages and libraries are installed. So, and if you go to the server part, this is actually the Odoo installation here. So let me see, like if the database is, yeah, it's still creating. Okay. So here, like you should be able to see the config file. So let me see, open with. So here you can see the path for the add-ons. So if there is any custom add-ons you want to put, you can just add it here by giving a comma, just like what you do in the Linux systems. And here you can here's you're specifying the PG path, and this is where the log file is. So apart from that, like it is the basic same setup as like what you see in Linux. So, and to restart the service, I will show you that. So, I think, yeah, the database is up. So, in for restarting the service, you will have services app. So here you should be able to see something called as Odoo. Uh, yeah, it's Odoo 15. So if we click stop, and now it should stop. The server should be down. Yeah, it has been stopped as of now. So click start, and it should be back up. So once you add a module, or like if you put a custom module or the typical restart, you have to come and do it in the services app. And you can find Postgres as well here. So there should be Postgres services. Yeah, here you can see. So this is for the Postgres. So it is a basic install setup, and it should work straightforward. You don't have to do anything specific for WK, HTML, or whatever it is. So I would really recommend, if you're going with the Windows route, like I would suggest you to uh, I would really suggest you to do a fresh install of it. And if you are still facing some kind of issues, like if you're doing with an existing system, you will typically run into issues with the Windows. So it's better to do a fresh install, and like I showed you, it is just like you download a setup file and it should be done. So I will try to do more videos on Odoo related stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks.